Good morning, this is Damir with Three Brothers Roofing. Today we are at 8183 Justice Street, Crossville, Tennessee, 38555. Claim number 4283D804N. Today we are here to do a repair. As you can see, we're going to start over here. And to change that one, we have to remove those nails up here. So to change that, we're doing more damage to that shingle right there, as you can see. And also we have to replace that one right there. And the thing is, we're doing damage to that one and that one. We have to remove those nails so we can install new shingle right there and over there. As you can see, he just removed the shingles from the nails from this shingles to remove that old one. As you can see, he has to do damage to that one so we can take that one off. So as you can see, whenever he lifts that one and that one starts to get damaged. So the thing is, now you can see, now that one right there, it's getting some more damage just to do that repair. So we need to change that one, and that one. You see, to remove that shingle, there was damage on that one, and also right over here. So you can see how the damage goes. It's something they will continue going up just to change that one.